morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is the Tsakane Business Workshop. We're coming to you live, Season 2, Episode 1 from Nigel Duduza, right here in the East Rand, Gauteng, South Africa. We're speaking about mental health, mental wellness. I just want to share with you what to think about and what to include when you are pitching. Understanding the stakeholder you are pitching to. Language, values and vision. Research.
Specializes in general building, in civil, engineering, in electrical.
We are a social enterprise whose business focuses on social needs, impacting communities through poultry educational programs.
We are agro-processing manufacturers working with African indigenous herbs, cannabis and essential oils to create wellness products.
A lot of mental health challenges happen because of the financial challenges that people go through. And as an organization, one of the things we'd really like to leave you with is that you are not alone.
Now I don't know who to talk to. I don't have people to talk to. I'm just alone in my little corner. And yeah, so I start introducing myself to different spaces. About spaces such as these. Spaces such as these are very important because you get to meet other entrepreneurs that are doing incredible things.
Why did you start your business? I think it's important that you answer that question for yourself.
What is the one or what is the single piece of advice that you've received that has always stuck with you or just shaped or changed the way you think without taking away any other piece of advice you have, because growth is not singular?
The problem with black people, we fear making profit. Let me repeat that. As black people, we fear making profit. Because I don't know how many of you guys are selling products. So, but in terms of you guys, from your profitability of your product, you guys look at if I can make 20%, 30% margins and this and that. Guys, meaning some margins, I make 1,000% margins.
Second place, walking away with gifts and also 10,000 Rand. And congratulate the winner of the 50,000 Rand grand prize, KwaTsaDuza.
It's quite funny because my products also address mental health issues because of my CBD oil and actually how I started my business.
Thank you so much to every single one of you for coming through. Thank you to our online audience. Thank you to our speakers. Thank you to the exhibitors. Together, everyone achieves more.